make 6 teams. Mathematician gives all possible cases. All possible cases. Remember, you studied 11th standard probability, all possible outcomes, sample space. So here we develop the sample space, all possible cases. How many teams we can make? Having 2 students, out of the given 4 students, these many teams we can make. How many? 6 teams. I can make 6 teams. Okay, here first team is what? Ramu Somu. Samjho, AB is Ramu Somu. Either you write Ramu Somu or Somu Ramu, it is one and the same team. Yes, one and the same team. So note, AB or BA are one and the AB and BA are one and the same team. One and the same team. Okay? Yes. This is first case. Second case, now take the camera here. Second case I am going to explain in the same manner. What I want to do, I want to distribute 2 prices. Distribution of 2 prices. 2 prices I want to give. First prize and second prize. First prize is a Dzire car. Second prize is Yamaha bike. Yamaha motorcycle. Okay. So, how many ways? For example, I conduct a mathematics test. First 2 rankers, they get the prize. First prize will be Dzire car, second prize will be what? Yamaha bike they will get. So 4 students are writing the exam. 4 students are writing the exam. A, B, C, D. Jainil, Sajil, Harsh and Vivek, they are writing the exam. Now the result has come. So how can I distribute the prizes? Now first what will happen? Who are all winning? Who are all winning? So winning is possible. The winners will be either AB or what? AC or AD or BC or BD or CD. How many cases? 6. There go. These are the possible winners. Now suppose AB are the winners. A will get the first prize, B will get the second prize, or B will get the first prize, A will get the second prize. Correct? Suppose this is Jainil and Harsh. Jainil gets the first prize, Harsh will get the second prize, or Harsh will get the first prize, Jainil will get the second prize. Understand? Yes? Proper? Logic is clear to you? Yes. Is clear? Then AC or CA, AD, DA, BC, CB, BD, DB, CD, DC. Totally how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ways I can distribute the prize. 12 ways. 12 ways I can distribute the prize. Here 6 ways. Team making is what? 6 ways. And here it is what? 12 ways. Here what is the meaning? What is the meaning? Here AB and BA, note. AB and BA are different. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Order in which you write matters. Order matters. Here AB and BA one and the same thing. Order doesn't matter. So my dear children, before going out of the classroom, if you understand that there are 2 type of counting principle. One is what? Order matter. Another one, order doesn't matter. and how to distinguish the two, that is a challenging of our problems. Okay, there is a main challenge, but this is what is happening. These type of things we are going to study under permutations, that is arrangements. Another name for permutation is what? Arrangements. Arrangements or distribution. And this is what? Combination, that is selection, combination, selection. Selections, combinations. Okay, selections. So permutation means what? Order matters. Order matters. Very important. Order doesn't matter. Mainly people do not know this difference between these two. Then I have to develop the symbol for this, that we will study in the next class, next lecture. I hope children you understand the concept. Making a team, one type of problem. Another one is what? This type of distribution of prices, how to distribute. Here the order matters. Selection, order does not matter. So you will have these two type of problems will be there. We have to play with these things. Okay? We will see in the next time, next class. Bye.